Hi, how are you today?
Hello, I'm fine. And you?
I'm good, but I feel a little tired.
Tired? Why?
Because today was a long day. Work, calls, messages, meetings, no rest.
I understand. Sometimes life feels busy, too busy.
Yes, and sometimes I feel like I have no free time.
Can I ask you something?
Of course, what do you want to ask?
What does free time mean to you?
Free time means peace. Free time means time for myself. No pressure, no rush, just slow life.
That sounds beautiful. Do you remember when we were children? We always had free time.
Yes, I remember. We played outside, we laughed, we explored. Life felt slow, life felt soft.
And now, life feels fast.
Yes, we grow up, but sometimes we forget to live.
So, when you finally have free time, what do you like to do?
I like to sit near my window, drink tea, and watch the sky.
Just watching?
Yes, just watching. Sometimes, doing nothing is the best thing.
I agree. Doing nothing is also doing something. Do you have a hobby?
Yes, I love reading books slowly, no rush, page by page, word by word.
That sounds peaceful.
What about you? What do you do in your free time?
I like walking, especially alone. It helps me think. It helps me breathe.
Do you ever feel guilty when you take free time?
Yes, sometimes. I feel like I should work. I should finish tasks. I should be productive.
I feel the same, but I learned something.
What did you learn?
I learned that rest is part of growth. Free time is not waste time. Free time is healing time.
You are right. We should give time to our heart, to our mind, to our soul.
Yes, because when we rest, we return stronger.
So, from today, I will take free time without guilt.
Good, you deserve peace.
And you too.
Thank you.
This conversation reminded me how important free time is.
Yes, life is not only about working, life is also about living.
And enjoying small things.
Exactly. Soft voice. Liam, sometimes I think free time is also about being grateful, not only doing things, but also appreciating life.
Yes, Mia, gratitude is powerful. When I take a walk, I say in my mind, thank you for this air, thank you for this moment, and suddenly, I feel peaceful.
Smiling gently. Wow, that is beautiful. I think I will try that, because sometimes my mind runs fast, thinking.
Yes, the mind runs like a fast train, but free time helps us slow down, like a calm river.
Liam, how do you relax in your free time?
I relax when I sit near nature. Sometimes I sit near trees, sometimes near water, sometimes I close my eyes and listen.
Softly. Listen to what?
Listen to sound, wind, birds, people laughing, or silence.
Smiles. Silence is my favorite. It feels like talking to myself, but without words.
Yes, silence teaches us that peace is already inside.
Liam, do you think learning something new can be part of free time?
Absolutely. Learning is a great use of free time. It doesn't need pressure. It can be slow, simple, enjoyable. For example,
Like learning a new language, drawing, cooking, musical instrument, meditation, anything. The goal is not perfection. The goal is joy. I love that. The goal is joy. Maybe I should write that down. Liam, Do you remember how we were as children? We always had free time. We used to play. We used to dream. We never rushed.
Yes. Childhood was simple. We didn't think about the future. We didn't worry about the past. We just lived in the moment.
Maybe that is the secret, to feel like a child again.
Yes, to feel free, to smile easily, to enjoy little things.
So, free time is not wasted time, right?
Right. Free time is healing time. Free time is self-care time. Free time is connection time with ourselves and with the world.
Soft emotional tone, I think. After talking with you, I will give myself more free time, not as luxury, but as necessity.
And I will do the same, because life is short, but moments make life beautiful.
Thank you, Liam, for this conversation.
Thank you, Mia, and thank you to everyone listening. Please take care of yourself. Give yourself time. You deserve peace. You deserve happiness. And you deserve free time. Sometimes I ask myself, what is the meaning of free time? Is it just time when we do nothing?
Interesting question, Arjun. For me, free time means time when my heart feels light, time when I feel free.
That sounds beautiful. So, free time is not just free hours, it is a free feeling.
Yes, exactly. Sometimes I have time, but my mind is full of stress. Then, it does not feel like free time.
I understand. Sometimes I have a holiday, but I think about work. I think about problems. I think about worries. Then, even with free time, I do not feel relaxed.
Right, relaxation is important. Free time should heal the mind. It should make us feel alive.
Mira, what is the best free time memory you have?
Let me think slowly. My best free time memory is watching sunset at the beach. The wind was soft, the sky was orange, and I felt peace.
That sounds magical.
Yes, and you? What is your best memory?
Mine is simple. One evening, I was sitting on the rooftop. No noise, no phone, no rush. Just me and the quiet sky.
So peaceful.
I think free time teaches us who we really are.
Yes, because in free time, we meet our thoughts, we listen to our heart, we see our emotions clearly.
Sometimes this is scary.
Yes, but also beautiful, because it helps us grow.